Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account directly from the mobile app. So, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines, asterisk, usually at the bottom right if you're on iPhone or top right. On Android, scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy asterisk, then tap on Settings. From there, look for Access and Control under the Your Information section. Tap on that, and you'll see the option for deactivation and deletion. Select it, asterisk, and you'll be given two choices, deactivate or delete. Choose Delete Account, then tap Continue. Asterisk, Facebook might ask you to enter your password. Confirm your decision, and you'll also have a chance to download your data if you want to save anything before it's gone. Once you confirm everything, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Facebook gives you 30 days to change your mind. After that, your account and everything in it will be permanently deleted. That's it, quick and easy. Thanks for watching.